Hello everyone, welcome back to Nilima Entertainment. In today's video, I will explain the complete Cognizant ACE team process, step by step. Do you know what really happens after applying for this hiring? Yeah, in today's video, I'll get to know about it. What is ACE team? This is Cognizant's most selective engineering program. They choose only high potential students to work on real AI projects with real clients from day one. Okay, and the selection process for this is registration, screening, aptitude, aptitude, technical assessment, and then technical interview. Later, announcement of the results, and finally, LOI. Every round is elimination, and competition is very high, but it is only to the person with offer. And now listen carefully, this is very important. You will choose skill preferences, but final mapping of your technical assessment is completely decided by Cognizant. Okay, and in the screening process, in the screening they check your academics and consistency and profile strength of your resume. If your basics are weak, you may not even reach the test rounds. Okay, and coming to the aptitude assessment, this round tests logical thinking, quantitative ability, problem solving, and time management is a key here. Okay, this tests your logical thinking. Speed. If you are slow, you may not clear this round. I hope you will get qualified. Actually, you have experience, right? Coming to the technical assessment, this is the most important round. You will be tested on DSA using Java or Python or .NET plus technologies like React or Angular and AI concepts like prompt engineering, RAG, cloud basics, agentic AI. Okay, they check how you solve the problems, not just coding. Okay, and coming to the technical interview, interview will be conducted in person. You need to visit Cognizant office or a nodal college. Okay. Now comes to the most important part, that is role mapping. This is usually offline. Based on your performance, you will be mapped to associate role, which is of 12 LPA, or senior associate role, which is 18 LPA. If you are mapped to senior associate interview and you don't clear it, they will still check if you fit for associate role or not in the same interview. Okay. After selection, once selected, you will be onboarded as a full-time employee after completing your degree. Okay. And only one attempt is given for all assessments. Any malpractice or wrong information leads to direct disqualification, and final decision is completely based on cognizant, and all communication will be sent only to your superset registered email ID. That email must be personal and you should not change it until your full time onboarding is completed. Okay? And here is a good news. Even if you don't participate or even if you don't get selected for this, your original cognizant offer will still remain same. I mean, still remain valid. Okay. Uh, let's talk about selection process. Once you selected, you will be directly work on real AI projects, RAG pipelines, agent workflows, LLM based applications, and real client projects. Okay, this is not training, this is real industry work from day one. And this is a very special offer. You won't sit on bench, you won't wait for years, you will gain 5 years of experience in a very short time. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. And if you apply, prepare seriously for upcoming rounds. And if you missed, start learning AI plus full stack from today because that is the future. And if you want preparation strategy for this role, comment A's below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nilima Entertainment. And see you in the next video. If you want the full process of the assessment, let me know in the comments. I will make a video on assessment prerequisites. Okay.